Veteran football coach Reynolds says he is willing to wait on the right offer before making a decision on his next move. However, that decision could be made by the end of this month. Reynolds, who is regarded as one of the best youth coaches locally, is now on the market after his contract at Kingston College was not renewed. With a number of coaching changes ahead of the schoolboy football season, Reynolds says he will not make a rushed decision on his next destination.
This did not take me by surprise. I was prepared for this based on situations here at Kingston College. So I was well aware that both parties would have not continued the relationship going forward. I'm presently focusing on some national duties that I have with the youth teams, and especially the U17 World Cup preparation and U14. In the meantime, I have gotten a couple of offers, but kind of just looking at things day at a time and don't want to rush in anything. Over the next week or two, if the mindset is right, based on the offer that comes my way, then, I will think about it. But for the time being, it's just a day at a time.
Meanwhile, Vassell, who has coached at Humble Lion and most recently Harbourview, is not looking to re-enter senior team coaching at the moment.
Most definitely at the junior level. I mean, that's where I would have spent most of my time as it relates to coaching. That's a level I'm involved with at the national level, and hence I want to continue to assist in the growth and development of the youth. And so most definitely schoolboy level.